When you have something worth doing, you do it well. There are no shortcuts to building quality because it's not worth the risk. No matter how big or how small the job you're working on, the success or failure hinges on every component performing its role. So while some might see just a drill bit, our customers don't. They see a piece of precision engineering, and they trust us when it matters most. And those drill bits that are vital in building Australia's commercial infrastructure are the same drill bits that are available every day in store. Being an Australian manufacturer, we are proud to create the tools that make success happen. At Sutton Tools, our goal for generations has always been to make the most durable and reliable drill bit range available. Now, some may say that perfection is unachievable, but we won't let that stop us. That was true the day we were founded in Australia in 1917, and it's still true today. We continue to innovate and develop specific tools for a changing market. As materials change, so do we. Every drill bit we create has a purpose. They're created to make your life easier. They perform time after time, job after job after job. Used by hundreds of other industries all around the world, by those who trust Sutton Tools when it matters most. When you drill, drill with confidence. Drill with Sutton Tools.